Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and today I'm unboxing a package I received from NewCraftDay. So thank you, NewCraftDay. They wanted me to show you guys some products and I said yes. Let us get into this thing and get this show on the road. Before we get started, I will just say all of the links to the products will be down in the video description, as well as a code for 10% off. It's Dawn10. It is not an affiliate code. It's just so that you guys get 10% off of their already really great pricing. This is a budget-friendly site, and they also have spend $50, get 2 free gifts, and free shipping over $50. So I just wanted to share that with you. And again, those details will be down in the description. So thanks, NewCraftDay. And let us just get this out, and I guess we'll just go on to the very first thing. Let's stick these off to the side. So the first one is just a, oh, I can open it from the bottom. I don't need scissors. This is one of those slip mats. Can I open this? If I can catch the edge of it here. So this is one of those gel slip mats, and they are very sticky. But the really good thing, I've wanted one of these for a while actually. The really good thing about this is not only does it stick to your surface, and it does. I'll take off the back here so you can see. It sticks and unsticks. You don't have to leave it, worry about it like a sticker. It won't leave any residue. But whatever you stick to, it stays, and then whatever you put on it, it stays. So, for example, a tray, if you had a tray with beads on it, and this table lifts up, or you could be sitting in your front room, you know, with it up on your lap, but you don't have to worry about this moving. I'm just going to move these out of the way, and I will show you what I mean. So when you tilt this up, let's just stick the rest of it in here. So if you pretend this is your table and you tilt this up, whatever tray or whatever you sit on there, so you see it's like really stuck. But when you tilt it, it stays. So if you had your if you had some type of a flat board or something and you were doing your diamond painting on it, and I believe when these get dusty or dirty or whatever, you just wash them and then they go back, let them dry, and they are sticky again. But yeah, you could have your beads in there and they're not going to go anywhere. And meanwhile, you've tilted up your painting and your container just stays on there. So, like, if you see that, I've got it pretty much up and down. It took a lot for it to fall off. So I thought that was a really neat idea, and I wanted to give one of those a try. I've wanted one for a while, and I saw that they had them, so I thought I would share that with you. Especially if you do your diamond paintings in more than one place. That would be something that would be very good for you. Where is the other piece? There it is. So I'm just going to put that back together and move it off to the side. Now, just to give you the pricing on that one, the anti-slip drill tray mat is $3.33 USD, so really, really reasonably priced. I think I've seen these on Amazon for like 10 bucks minimum. Maybe you might get 2, but still, it's just ridiculous. Really good price. And now let's get into the first item. And there is my cover minder sticking to my scissors again. Here. And which one is this one? I'm not even sure. Let's take a look before I try to give you a price for something I'm not sure what it is. Okay. So this is the, it's called a love tree. I saw it and I thought it was just really pretty. and it is a bubble style painting, or at least I think it is. Let us just get. So this is a, okay, I put the sizes, but it says right on here 30 by 30. So it's a small one, something quick, nice little quick snack to chew on. And there you are. So it's a heart-shaped tree with, it just looks like purple flowers, or purple trees, or leaves, sorry, coming off. I'm just going to show you the thumbnail really quick here. See how close I can get. But that's what it looks like. Really pretty sky in behind, and again, it is done in that bubble format. So let's just take a really quick peek at these drills, if I can get into this package. And then we'll take a look at the drill field, which, hint hint, looks pretty good. So this one has 9 colors in it. And we're going to start off with kind of a small, plain crystal, clear crystal. Then we go a little bit bigger and a little bit bigger. And then we have a very tiny light pink, medium light pink, large light pink, just so you can see that. And we have a very tiny kind of red, dark pink or a red, and then a very tiny, deeper pink red. And then, that was the same. Yeah, sorry, those two are the same, I think. Oh, maybe not. I figure it out. 8, oh, 7, 8, okay, whatever. And then this is number 9, it looks like a plain black. I'm a little confused there for a second, so it doesn't look like there's any dual packages of anything. Oh, there's 2 packs of the one. That would be the dual pack, so that's these silver ones here. Just stick that away. And then, of course, you get your regular kit. You get a green boat, a plate of wax, pink pen, and a pair of very flimsy tweezers. So, good for maybe picking up some of those bigger drills, but, or crystals, but that's about it. Really good stick to the canvas. And let us take a peek at the field itself. So I'm just bringing this up as close as I can so that you guys can see. Looked really, really clear to me. I don't know how close I can get before it starts to get blurry. But this drill field looks really good. It doesn't look like it's going to be difficult to see anything on this one. Yeah, it's looking really, really good. So, 30 by 30, let's measure this bad boy. What did I do with my... Oh, there it went. So this one is not inches done, centimeters. 20... 25 by just shy of 25. So about 5 centimeters on that one. Now just move this one out of the way so we can look at the other one. This other one, I really loved it when I saw the picture. It is also a partial, but just, it was so pretty. I thought it was so pretty. And this one. I'm going to just actually spin this one to try and get it to go flat. Okay, so same toolkit with the tweezers, the boat, the wax, and the pen. And you guys, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? I think it's so pretty. This one also is 30 by 30, so before we even look at anything else, this feels like saran paper or saran wrap. Let's just measure. Not on the inches side, Dawn. No. So this one is 23 and a half by 24. So this one's even a little bit smaller. Let's check the stick on it. Oh, the stick is good. So this one looks like just a plain white background with a color, a couple color splashes. And then you are just partially drilling the dragonfly. This one is $5.63 USD. If I did not tell you what the love tree was $7.33 USD. So really, really reasonable prices. Let's just take a quick peek at these drills and get into this package. There are 11 colors on this one, and they look like they come in very tiny packages. So one bag of these two great big orange ones, which I would assume are in the eye. And then it looks like a regular color with an ABBEY coating, kind of a green with an ABBEY coating. A black with an ABBEY coating. Oh my goodness. I've never seen a black with an ABBEY coating. That is gorgeous. Wow. I love that. And then we've got some crystals, some purple, orange, kind of a teal, a gold, and that's for those ones. And then we have a kind of a yellow gold teardrop, an orange and pink round, a red round, and a multicolored kind of looks like green, blue, purple. Oops, I'm too close. Sorry, guys. Go there. Okay. So that's what you get for that one. And I'm just looking at the drill field on this one. And it actually looks pretty good. There is no thumbnail on this one, but maybe I'll do this one in the next little while and show you. But if you take a closer look at the canvas, hopefully you can see that it's still pretty clear. It's going to be easy to do it. I can tell the difference of the shapes. This one goes more by the shapes as codes. Yeah, like I'm looking in the tail and comparing it. So I think it'll be pretty straightforward to do, but I just thought this one was really pretty and unique and different. I thought it would look really good. And I like that it's on a white background, but I think I also would have liked it if it had been on a black background as well. Love it. So NewCraftDay. NewCraftDay also has, like I said, 10% off using code DAWN10. Again, not an affiliate link. That's just so you guys get 10% off of their already fairly reasonable products. Now, this is another site. It is a budget-friendly site that you have to pay attention to which paintings you're choosing and making sure that they're not copyrighted art pieces. So you can find both. There is no problem finding ones like this that are not copyrighted. And there's some pretty nice ones. You just have to dig a bit, unless you don't care. And I'm not your mother, so if you don't care, that's up to you. But if you want to make sure that the artist is getting properly paid, then you want to steer clear of anything that looks like it was done by an artist. That's just my advice. And other than that, thank you so much to NewCraftDay for letting me show you these items again. I actually really like all of these. And they are the same, free shipping over 50, spend 50 and get 2 free gifts, and I don't know what else to tell you. I really like these. I'm looking forward to trying them. So that's going to do it for me. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not already subscribed, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Please stay safe, you guys, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye.